Hello, Mr. Vlad. It's been raining and you're all wet. Wet possum. I wonder how smooth I can make you. Okay. You look like you've had your hair gelled back. Don't you? Wait, don't bite me. You're getting the scraps from dinner. Alright, I remember. Your hand was a little hurt last time I checked on you. Let me check your finger. Come on. Let's check your fingers. Is that finger hurt? Hey? Or is that one okay? It must be okay since you didn't pull away from me. Wet possum. You need to stay out of the rain. You gotta stay out of the rain, buddy. Oh, no, that's not for you. That's not for you. Sorry. Not yours. Alright, off you go. Whoops.